Hello stalkers, welcome back. DFM market today closed green whereas ADX market closed red. Let's start analyzing daily chart of Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Today we can see it has printed a nice pin bar candle, or I can say a hammer candle. It broke the support that is 9,929. It almost rebounded from our next support area that is 9,858 points. Today's low was at 9,869. Candle is good, although it is red in color. But the question is the correction over or are we in a uptrend? To answer your question, not yet. Correction is not yet finished, I think so. There are very high chances we may see more downside momentum. We may even break down and come into this area between 9,815 and 9,858 points if at all correction is not finished. So when will we get the confirmation that correction is over? As I mentioned that previously, our resistance right here, when we see a decisive candle close, we will get an idea that yes, market has broken the resistance and now it is ready to go up. So similarly, if the recent swing high that is right here, let me delete this one. If at all market can break out this swing high that is 10,102 points, if it goes up, gets rejected, comes down, and then if breakout is seen and breaking the resistance, this would give us a confirmation that now market has started its bull run or correction is over. Still, there are very high chances we may see more downside. Market may go up a bit tomorrow, get rejected at immediate resistance now, which is at 10,000 points. Previously the same zone was support, and we can see a new low. So if at all market goes up tomorrow, this should not be considered bullish. This is just a bounce up because we are seeing market has been printing red candles since this zone that is 23rd of October 2025. So market may adjust a bit. Somewhat like this, market came down, took a breather, made a new low. Again, it will take a breather and there are chances it can make a new low. So my bias is still bearish. I think market may bounce up tomorrow a bit and then make a new low at around this zone. So I'm not looking for a bull phase yet till the time I see a decisive candle close, as I mentioned, about this area that is 10,102 points. Once this is taken out, then as I mentioned, we will see our bull run. As of now, most of the stocks are bleeding. Similarly, in DFM market also we saw a nice pin bar candle, a green candle close. So can we say the correction is over? I personally don't think the correction is over yet. Check this out. After 3 big red candles, we are just seeing a bounce. This can be considered as dead cat bounce. This is not bullish yet. There are chances it can go down further, hitting the next support area that is 5,896, or it can even come lower till about 5,822 points if there is more selling pressure in the market. So if at all we see a decisive candle close above this area that is 6,070 points, then I would consider yes, correction is over and now market is gearing up for the bull phase after a correction phase that started from this zone that is 28th of July 2025. Market came down, took a bounce from here that was on 26th of September, and it's trying to recover the drop that we saw previously. It could only recover 60% of this drop and it has further started to correct. Still, the low is protected. So there are still chances we may see more upside momentum if at all this correction phase is over. So as I mentioned, market will definitely indicate us or give us an idea that correction is over once we see a decisive candle close above this area. Still, my view is to the downside. If at all it goes up, then we have resistance right here at 6,023 points. It may trap the buyers and then it can make a low. So for now, the mantra should be quick entry and exit in bullish stocks. Do not buy and hold. It can bull trap you and give you bigger losses. One of the stock that is holding up is Eshraq. No doubt it is in a uptrend. We can see it is making higher highs and higher lows right from the bottom, that is this zone at around 0.267. From here we saw aggressive moves to the upside, especially this phase was very aggressive. From 27th of February onwards we saw nice strong legs to the upside. But then from here we are seeing a bit of correction And then from here we are seeing double top type of chart pattern that is obviously bearish, and it has started to make lower lows and lower highs. This strong upside momentum should not be considered bullish. We can see it got resisted right into this supply zone that was previously a strong hurdle. It tried for a breakout, got rejected. This was the second attempt also, which was not successful, came down a bit, and then it made a new high. So similarly, after the breakdown, now when it's trying to climb up, it's getting rejected exactly at the same zone. So Eshraq, I'm still not considering it bullish. There are still very strong chances that we may see a low. Yes, there is a possibility it can go sideways, as most likely tomorrow we may see market stabilizing, or as I mentioned, it may try to print a green candle, but nothing bullish about it. So if at all you are planning for entry, it should be obviously quick entry and exit. Otherwise, if at all you try and hold it, it can go up, get resisted, and then come down aggressively. My view will be only bullish when I see clearance of this zone, that is right here, a whole number 0.500. It is technical resistance as well. This zone was previously a good support area. Right here we can see from 0.588 it came down, took a bounce at around 0.500, went up again, hit 0.583, it broke the support, and now most likely when it hits the same zone, this can potentially act as a resistance. So yes, if at all we see a decisive candle close above the zone, then I would consider this to be bullish. Till this time it is in a no trading zone, or you can say it can bull trap the investors. So this area will be very tricky. So watch out if at all you are planning for any entries into this zone. If it makes a move, you should be booking your profits immediately. Tomorrow if it opens flat or with a gap up, take small entries and you may book your profits into this zone, between this zone I must say, because if at all there is selling pressure, a minor resistance will also act as a supply and we can see a drop to the downside. Hit the like button if today's video was helpful. To join my YouTube membership, scan the QR code. Link is also provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.